Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause joint swelling or stiffness. The popping sound happens when gas bubbles burst in joint fluid. It's not linked to arthritis or long-term damage, but if it causes pain, see a doctor. So, knuckle cracking is mostly harmless, just maybe not the most polite habit.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.